Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to effectively clean your AirPods and remove debris or dirt that can affect sound quality. Keeping your AirPods clean is essential for optimal performance. I'm using an AirPods cleaning tool. If you don't have this tool, don't worry. You can use a toothpick and toothbrush as an alternative. Gently clean the corners and speakers. Use this pen-type cleaning tool to carefully remove debris from the corners and speakers of your AirPods. Be gentle to avoid damaging your device. Brush away debris. Use this soft brush to sweep away any remaining debris from all sides of your AirPods. Clean the mic. Use this pen-type tool or brush to gently clean the microphone area. Repeat the same process with other AirPods. Dampen a microfiber cloth. Slightly wet a microfiber cloth and carefully wipe down your AirPods. Dry the AirPods. Use the dry side of the microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess moisture and clean the AirPods again. You'll notice a significant difference in the appearance and sound quality of your AirPods after cleaning. Repeat the same process with other AirPods. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. Subscribe to iTech World for more useful content. Thanks for watching.